Stay-at-home arts with Valentín. Today, we will be making a puzzle of love, one that you can give away to one of your friends or family members in your household. This is a very trying time, so any kind of act of kindness that you can do for your friends, your family, or yourself is a nice thing to do. Using materials like stamps, markers, and colored pencils, I am creating my own puzzle. The background is going to be kind of a rainbow effect. So as you can see here, I am blending the colors of the rainbow, but I'm making them neon to make it a little more exciting. Then, using my heart-shaped stamp, I'm just gonna press down using pink ink and then add some other stamp flair, like flowers and a smaller heart in the middle. Now, using your markers, you can kind of spice it up a little. So again, I have stamps, but you can use whatever else you want to do. So that means you can draw your design instead, or if you have another stamp at home, feel free to use that. I'm adding little flower stamps and coloring in the middle of my stamps. Again, I'm kind of just like adding some more flair, and now I'm starting to put encouraging words inside the puzzle. So things like "you are strong," "you are loved," "I love you," anything positive that you would want to share with yourself or maybe a family member. The last thing I'm doing is you can use an envelope or not. You could put it even inside of a plastic bag. I decided to use a mailing envelope that I had lying around, and I'm just kind of decorating it. I'm making it cute, and I'm going to just decorate the envelope with markers and color pencils. So now with these leaves, I am using my stamp pad and pressing my fingers into it and then pressing it down on the envelope to kind of create little flowers. And then I'm going in with my markers to create petals. So now I'm going in again with my stamp. I have a to and from stamp. So I'm going to just do my name. So it's going to be from Valentín, and then I'm addressing it to my friend Mateo. So I'm using stamps that I have. Again, if you don't have stamps, it's not a problem. You can just hand draw whatever you want. So I've been kind of sticking to like hearts and flowers because I think those are nice things to receive for holidays, like maybe Valentine's Day, or I think it's really nice to give friends flowers, especially during hard times like right now. Kind of doing the same thing like the other side, and I'm going to make a flower, but this is going to be a little bit different. But I'm still going to end up doing the same kind of process with using the stamp pad and my fingertips. Just because I think it's kind of more fun. It's not a type of art that I generally do, but I'm always open to like trying new types of art. So now that I'm all done with making my flower, I'm gonna fill this envelope with, if you have anything like confetti or glitter, maybe even if you want to, you could cut up little pieces of paper and like color them. Well, after you're done coloring your entire puzzle, you're going to turn it over on the other side, and then you're going to make shapes that you want to cut out. Make sure that you're making shapes that will fit together once you cut it out. It can be random. You can make it look like an actual puzzle, or you can make it abstract. And then taking your scissors, you're just going to cut along those lines very carefully. Okay, so now that you're all finished, you're going to give your envelope to your friend or family member, or maybe you'll leave it somewhere so that they can find it themselves. So now that your family member has found the puzzle, you're going to put the puzzle together and read your message. And I think a really fun thing to do after the puzzle is put together is taping it all together and putting it in a special place.